Hi everybody! Today's video is a Kansaiben listening test. I will give you a couple of Kansaiben phrases so you can guess what I am talking about and choose the right image. Okay, here we go! Kansaiben listening test. Choose the correct picture from the content of the conversation. Number 1. おおきに おおきに Choose the right picture. The answer is おおきに Thank you. So, the right picture is Number 2. この漫画めっちゃおもろいやん。この漫画めっちゃおもろいやん。Choose the right picture. The answer is この漫画めっちゃおもろいやん。This manga is so funny. So, the right picture is Number 3. この犬、チャウチャウチャウいや、チャウチャウちゃうんちゃうこの犬、チャウチャウチャウいや、チャウチャウちゃうんちゃう Choose the right picture. The answer is この犬、チャウチャウチャウいや、チャウチャウちゃうんちゃう Is this dog a chow chow? No, I don't think it's a chow chow. So, the right picture is Number 4. これ、生き死に買うてきてん。これ、生き死に買うてきてん。Choose the right picture. The answer is これ、生き死に買うてきてん。I bought this on my way here. So, the right picture is Number 5. それ、よう似合てるやん。それ、よう似合てるやん。Choose the right picture. The answer is それ、よう似合てるやん。That looks good on you. So, the right picture is How many questions did you get right? These phrases are just basic Kansaiben, but if you remember this, you won't need to worry about the Kansai area or making friends with Kansai people. If you want to learn more Kansaiben, I made a couple videos of Kansaiben, so check those out. Thank you for trying the Kansaiben listening test. See you next time!